Customer data isn't just valuable, it's a marketer's greatest asset. Sure, all marketers have first-party data, but some may not know where to start. Maybe you've got website visits, mobile app interactions, CRM data through UID2, or purchase history, all just waiting to be activated. Today on the Resource Desk, how to unlock the full potential of your first-party data. Kokai is our most innovative platform to date, and we believe the most powerful DSP ever created, because Kokai was built from the ground up to maximize everything data can do for your business. Let's explore how Kokai can transform your journey to unlocking first-party data across 3 key areas. First, let's talk onboarding. Our exclusive data onboarding tool, Galileo, makes bringing your first-party data into our platform incredibly simple, with secure connections to over 40 CDPs and cleanrooms worldwide. Rather than working with one-off siloed solutions, Galileo lets you match audiences seamlessly across publishers, platforms, and devices using a single secure identifier like UID2 that can be activated across all channels. Next up is activation. When you're taking an audience-first approach, harnessing first-party data is crucial, and it keeps your customer at the heart of every campaign. Once your data is onboarded, our platform uses it to power AI predictions that help find the most relevant and valuable ad opportunities across every channel. Whether you're running campaigns on CTV, audio, display, or mobile, we'll find the most valuable impressions, where your existing and potential customers are the most engaged online, to drive better outcomes. You can also use your data to model lookalike audiences, expanding your reach while finding the most relevant potential customers. Finally, let's look at measurement. At The Trade Desk, we believe your data belongs to you, so you should control how it's activated. That's why we offer transparent campaign logs to facilitate your own analysis. Kokai, together with Galileo, gives you full transparency over your data, empowering you to make better, more informed decisions, creating a continuous cycle of data enrichment, better outcomes, and more effective campaigns. Get started today and discover how to put your first-party data to work.